my dear friends, today we are going to make easy dates cake. For that we are going to beat 3 eggs. Make sure that you take the eggs and all other ingredients in room temperature. Beat the eggs well. Beat the eggs until it has fluffed up well. I am using 80 fresh bitter dates. If you are not having fresh dates, make sure that you soak them in hot milk for 30 minutes. Grind the dates to a fine paste. Add the dates paste to the beaten egg and beat them well. Add 4 cups of wheat flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add the wheat flour gradually. Mix them using cut and fold method. Add a tablespoon of vinegar and mix them. Vinegar makes the cake soft. I have added almonds, I couldn't record it. You can add your favorite nuts. Add a cup of oil and mix them again using cut and fold method. Now add a cup of milk and mix them again. Pour the batter to a greased tray. I have poured rest of the batter to under mold. Bake them in preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure that the cake has baked completely using a toothpick as it comes out clean. Our soft cake is ready. Hope you all enjoy this sugar-free and healthy cake. If so, please share with your friends and smash the like button.